Dan, do you want to take this question? I don't want to destroy property. This is expensive. Hi, my name is Shreeja Nair. I'm a data scientist at the Sorenson Impact Center. At the Sorenson Impact Center, we are partnering with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to work on this project, which is looking at the space of higher education in the country with the focus on equity, I would say. The idea is that we kind of look at all of the different ways that the higher education system has been impacted now because of the current public health crisis, but also how it's going to be impacted in the next 5 years, 10 years, and what it's going to look like. And talking about why this is important in the time of COVID is COVID does a couple of things to how the education system has adapted, right? A, you have to go online to take classes. There's data that shows that there's disparities in how minorities have access to either a computer or high-speed internet, which means they're not able to flourish. All of these disparities, it starts in school, and as you grow older, it just keeps magnifying. The MAPS project is hoping to kind of get a sense of what disparities exist currently, which not only then tells you a measure of how well the institution serves their minority population, but also kind of the support that the populations get from the institutions. We look at data and it tells us the same story, and we all agree on what the numbers tell us. It unifies people in some ways. An institution is not important because it's been in the community for years, right? That the building has existed, or that people know that it has existed, or that it has a name. An institution is important because it does something for a student and it builds a student's life. Just even getting the people to think about it and talk about it and just be aware of the fact that this exists, and therefore all of the decisions that they make financially, policymakers making decisions of which institutions should get funded, all of those decisions, if they're made with a solid equity lens and data-driven, I think that itself will solve a lot of the problems. And I think that would be my hope and dream. What else do I have to say?